name is Angelo, and I was in the United States Marine Corps for 25 years as an infantry Marine. I recently graduated from George Washington University with a Master's of Science in Project Management using the post 9/11 GI Bill Yellow Ribbon program. I grew up in Newark, New Jersey in the projects and decided while I was in the 12th grade to join the Marine Corps. I've always had three dreams growing up. One was to get a master's degree from a prestigious university, to own a motorcycle, and to own a boat. The post 9/11 GI Bill allowed me to satisfy one of those dreams. One of the things that keep people from going to college is the cost of college. And of course, that was a concern with me too. When the post 9/11 GI Bill was introduced, I immediately applied for it and received it, and it really eased the burden on my wallet and my household and allowed me to concentrate on my studies a little more instead of the cost of paying for the education. The post 9/11 GI Bill covers the highest public in-state undergraduate tuition. With the Yellow Ribbon program, I was able to go to a private university like George Washington and get a master's degree, and it was completely paid for. The post 9/11 GI Bill gave me the opportunity to acquire some of the credentials that would help validate the experiences, the leadership and management experiences that I acquired while I was in the military. With my degree, I was able to pick and choose from a list of jobs, and I finally settled on a position with the Department of Homeland Security, and I would not have had that opportunity had it not been for the post 9/11 GI Bill and certainly the Yellow Ribbon program. If there's any veteran out there who qualifies for this program, I'd more than encourage them to pick up the phone, call the VA, or go online and do a little research and get enrolled. I really thought the post 9/11 GI Bill was too good to be true. But after going through the experience, it really is everything that it said it was.